What happens when you combine 75 years of national pride with a $1 million Porsche? You get something that's never been built before. Meet Jacques Schneider, a master artisan who just did the impossible. He took Luxembourg's soul and somehow fit it into a 911 GT3 Touring. And trust me, you've never seen anything like this. This isn't just another custom car. It's a love letter written in metal, leather, and thread. When you slide into the driver's seat, you're literally surrounded by your homeland. But wait until you see what's embroidered in the headliner. Look up, and there's the outline of the Grand Duchy itself, stitched into the fabric above you, accompanied by the opening notes of Ons Hemecht, your national anthem whispering above you with every single drive. Now here's what makes this special. Schneider isn't just any designer. He's known for transforming fine porcelain into art, and he's channeled that same delicate precision into automotive craftsmanship. His hand-drawn lion doesn't just decorate the exterior, it roars with centuries of Luxembourg pride. The creature that has watched over the nation for generations now watches over every mile you travel. And here's where the color story gets incredible. That ice-gray metallic with its subtle blue whisper paired with fire red. It speaks the language of Luxembourg's flag without saying a word. It's patriotism painted in automotive perfection, where every glance reveals another layer of meaning. But the real magic is in the details most people will never notice. When you step into the car, Schneider's own handwriting illuminates beneath your feet on the door sills, Porsche Luxembourg, glowing like a personal signature from the artist himself. And get this, that fire-red accelerator pedal? It's the first of its kind, a tiny revolution that connects your right foot directly to the heart of Luxembourg's identity. This is what happens when 75 years of national pride meets German engineering excellence. Not just a car, but a rolling monument to everything that makes Luxembourg uniquely, powerfully, unforgettably home. What detail impressed you most? Drop it in the comments below. And if you want to see more automotive art like this, hit that subscribe button, because this is just the beginning.